The Titanic. Mysterious history, April 1912. A cold, silent night in the North Atlantic Ocean. The world's largest and most luxurious ship was sailing proudly across the sea. A ship that humans believed was unsinkable. A ship that symbolized technology, luxury, and human pride. But within a few hours, that same ship would become the center of one of the greatest maritime mysteries in history. This is the mysterious history of the Titanic, a story of ambition, tragedy, unanswered questions, and haunting secrets that still echo through the ocean depths. In 1907, the famous British shipping company White Star Line decided to build the most magnificent ship ever created. Their goal was simple, not just speed, but luxury and size beyond imagination. The chief designer of this grand project was Thomas Andrews, a brilliant naval architect. Construction began in Belfast, Ireland. Thousands of workers spent 3 years building this floating palace. The Titanic was enormous length, 882 feet height, equal to an 11-story building. Capacity, over 2,200 passengers. It featured swimming pools, grand staircases, luxury suites, and elegant dining halls. People called it the Ship of Dreams, and many believed it could never sink. But history would soon prove that nature always has the final word. On April 10, 1912, Titanic began its first and final voyage. It departed from the port of Southampton, heading towards New York City. On board were some of the richest people in the world, along with immigrants hoping for a better life in America. The captain of the ship was the highly respected Edward Smith, a veteran sailor nearing retirement. The mood on board was cheerful and luxurious. Passengers dined in grand halls, listened to live music, and enjoyed the calm ocean breeze. Everything seemed perfect. But beneath that perfection, danger was quietly approaching. During the journey, multiple iceberg warnings were received from nearby ships. Yet these warnings were largely ignored. Was it overconfidence or a desperate attempt to break speed records? That decision would soon prove fatal. April 14, 1912. Time, 11:40 p.m. The North Atlantic was calm, cold, and eerily silent. Suddenly, a lookout shouted the words that would echo forever in history. "Iceberg, right ahead." The crew tried to turn the ship, but it was too late. The Titanic brushed against a massive iceberg. The impact didn't seem catastrophic at first. No huge explosion, no dramatic crash. But below the surface, the iceberg had torn open multiple compartments of the ship's hull. Designer Thomas Andrews quickly inspected the damage. His face turned pale. He quietly said, "The ship will sink." Within 2 hours, yet most passengers had no idea that their floating palace was already doomed. Water began flooding the lower decks slowly. Passengers initially treated it like a minor incident. After all, this was the unsinkable Titanic. But the truth was terrifying. There were only 20 lifeboats on the ship, enough for just around 1,178 people, while over 2,200 people were on board. Why weren't there enough lifeboats? Was it negligence or arrogance? As panic spread, the famous order was given: women and children first. Many lifeboats were launched half-empty, while hundreds remained trapped on the ship. The ocean was freezing below 0 degrees Celsius. Anyone who fell into the water would only survive a few minutes. The orchestra on deck kept playing music, trying to calm passengers as the ship slowly tilted into the sea. A heartbreaking scene of bravery, fear, and sacrifice unfolded that night. April 15, 1912. Time, 2:20 a.m. The bow of the Titanic fully submerged underwater. Then, with a horrifying roar, the ship broke into 2 massive pieces. Screams echoed across the dark ocean. Hundreds of passengers fell into the icy water. Within minutes, hypothermia claimed most of their lives. Over 1,500 people died that night. Only about 700 survived. The unsinkable ship disappeared beneath the waves, leaving behind one of the greatest maritime tragedies in history. But the story of Titanic doesn't end with its sinking. It begins a new chapter of mystery. Several strange questions still remain unanswered. Why were iceberg warnings ignored? Why were there insufficient lifeboats? Why were binoculars missing from the lookout post? And why did some wealthy passengers cancel their tickets at the last moment? These unanswered questions gave rise to many conspiracy theories. One controversial theory claims that the ship that sank was not actually Titanic, but its sister ship switched for insurance fraud. There is no solid evidence. Yet these theories continue to fascinate historians and researchers even today. Was it purely an accident? Or was there something more hidden beneath the surface? For decades, the Titanic remained lost in the depths of the ocean, until finally, in 1985, the wreckage was discovered deep beneath the waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. The ship was found broken into two pieces, scattered across the ocean floor like a silent graveyard. It was no longer just a ship. It had become a time capsule of human history and tragedy. Titanic is more than just a shipwreck. It is a symbol of human ambition, pride, hope, and loss. It reminds us that no matter how advanced technology becomes, nature always holds ultimate power. Even today, over a century later, the Titanic still raises haunting questions. Was it just an unfortunate accident? Or was it a disaster shaped by human arrogance and hidden mistakes? The cold ocean still guards its secrets. And perhaps it always will. What do you think? Was the Titanic disaster just an accident? Or is there still a hidden mystery behind it? Comment your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next Mysterious History.